linemen been using all different sort of protectors for the rubber gloves, and they found that the Power Gripz are the ones that they've been waiting for all the time. The best thing since sliced bread. So it's a great product. They love them, and they get upset when they're not around. So we keep them in stock for them all the time. They're more flexible, pliable when they're wet. They have a great gripping strength. You know, the other protectors when they got wet were slippery, so it's reduced our injuries also. They wear very well. They don't wear out as often. We just saw your new product line. You have work gloves now. We're going to be looking at them also now.
The Power Gripz gloves, we've decided to swap to them because of the grips on the end of them. You know, when you're doing hot work, and we have freezing cold weather and 100-degree humidity weather, so you know the guys just really have a hard time gripping things for small connectors, and we do a lot of energized work, so we just found that they help the guys hold on to the stuff a lot better. We've been using the Power Gripz for about, I would say, close to a year now. We started trying out some lower voltage of the Power Grip gloves, and then now we've just swapped and started buying Power Gripz high voltage gloves. Yeah, I'd suggest Power Gripz to anybody. We wouldn't have swapped to them if we didn't like them. They're just a lot easier, and you know they really help the guys when they've been working for a while with those rubber gloves on. Your hands start to get tired. That Power Grip really helps you hold on to the components that you're working with.
We've been using the Power Gripz for about a year now. Our guys have. Well, in our department, we've got 22 linemen, and I'd say 3/4 of them are using them. I'd highly recommend the Power Gripz for working up on the lines.
We tested them with our line crew, and it was an instant winner with our line crew, and we immediately, I think, became one of the first orders in Canada to buy Power Gripz. Every one of our men have them, and they enjoy working with them.
Great concept. Power Gripz works good and easy to grip with, and actually a great glove. Gloves will hold up a lot stronger compared to anything else.
I love the Power Gripz. They're probably the best gloves I've ever had. I haven't had any issue out of them. They've lasted me 2 years with no problem. They don't crack or dry out or anything like some of the other ones I've used before. So I would recommend them to anybody.
From my own experience as a lineman, trying to pick up washers, nuts, that type of thing, staples, the Power Grip solves that.
But all I can say is I wish I'd had them 42 years ago.
With the Power Gripz, you got that nice fill on there you can pick up. It's just a great product.
Oh yeah, everybody that's tried them wants them. I gave a pair to my line foreman for him to try it out. He said that he would recommend it. We bought 2 dozen, and we've been using the Power Gripz ever since.
I think they're a great glove. I really do. I think it'd be a real handy tool for my linemen.
Every person I've talked to that's used it loved it because they said, hey, now I can actually grip onto things when it's wet like I couldn't with leather. So it made a big difference in how they use the gloves. It's a unique product in a couple of different ways. One is it's got the grips on there that no other glove that I know of on the market has that. The second thing is they've actually done the cal ratings, so they know what the energy is that it can take, and it doesn't ignite and continue to burn no matter what the energy level is. So that's a good thing. There's a lot of opportunity out there when you've got something you know what the protection values are, and you can actually use it, and it's got this extra gripping power, which is why they call it Power Gripz.